Wagwan viewers and subscribers, continue watch the video if you want to see more of Spragga Benz performance at Trucks live session. You know the rules, you know the lads. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. So via subscribers, Spragga Benz is at it again, and this time he performed at Track live session, the Guinness Sounds of Greatness edition, and me not tell a lie. It was a pandemonium, as you all can see. Spragga Ben brought out Jashi, Agent Sasko, Lali, and many more Ox people. And me not gonna talk too long. Just check out the next clip here of Spragga Benz a Shell Tracks Live. Subscribers, that was Spragga Benz a Shell Tracks Live session. And me not tell no lie, he delivered hits after hits. And you all know we accept Spragga Benz already. Me not tell no lie, his performance never normal. It bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked. Talk truth no people, and me not even gonna talk too long. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers, and all of the Red Square fans them, spam up the comment section and let me know what you all think about Spragga Ben's performance at Track's live session. It bad, it wicked, it hot, it cool, is a hit performance or it miss. Yeah, man. I want to see all of the fans them spam up the comment section and make me know how I go on. You know the rules. You know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Suka, and I'm out.